Let's check out these many useful cleaning tips. Here's a remedy for dirty glass. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of talcum powder in water and pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the mixture onto the glass and then wipe off with a cloth. Goodbye dirty stains. Pour white vinegar into the washing machine's detergent dispenser. The vinegar intensifies the cleaning power of the detergent and makes colors brighter. Mix together with white vinegar, lemon juice, and olive oil. This solution is ideal for cleaning wooden surfaces. A small amount will be enough to make it look like new again. Get some cotton wool balls and put a few drops of essential oil on them. Leave the balls in your shoes overnight to eliminate bad odors. Sometimes we forget to clean in the crevices, but a Post-it will be sufficient to easily remove all the hidden dirt. Let's try this on a joystick. It's done! Cleaned perfectly. Mix together water, baking soda, and a few drops of an essential oil. This mixture will perfume your bathroom for a long time. Mix baking soda and dishwashing liquid together until you get a smooth paste. Dampen a sponge and run the paste over the bathroom surfaces to clean them thoroughly. Perfect! Take out the air filter of the vacuum cleaner and sprinkle on some essential oil. The vacuum cleaner will give off a pleasant scent every time it is used.